When the enchanting actress Audrey Hepburn was asked about the secret of her beauty and allure, this testament poem was read at her funeral. To have attractive lips, speak kind words. To have beautiful eyes, look for the good in people. To stay slender, share your food with the hungry. To have beautiful hair, let a child run their fingers through it every day. To have graceful footsteps, walk as if you are never alone. For those who love you and those you love will accompany you. People and things more than this need care and affection, nurturing, calling and rescuing. Never reject anyone. Think about this. If one day you need a helping hand, you'll find one at the end of your arm. As you age, you'll discover that you have two hands, one for helping yourself and the other for helping others. A woman's beauty is not in the clothes she wears, her face or her hairstyle. A woman's beauty is seen in her eyes, the doorway to her heart, the source of her love. A woman's beauty is not in her adornments, but true beauty lies in her spirit. It is the tenderness, love she gives and the passion she expresses. A woman's beauty evolves with the years.